Good morning, children. Today we will study Chapter 11, Our Natural Resources. In this chapter, we will study about resources, about natural resources, types of resources, and types of natural resources. As we all know that there are few things like water, air, soil are very essential for our life. So, in this chapter, we will study about them because these things are provided to us by nature. So, let's start. Get set. Water is a valuable natural resource. We cannot live without it. Means if you will not get water for few days, you will not be alive. Nature has given us water, air, soil, minerals, plants, animals, and so on. Means these things, soil, air, water, minerals, are provided by nature to us. These are called gifts of nature. Means these things, water, air, soil, these things are called gifts of nature. We use these gifts of nature to fulfill our daily needs. Means we all need these things in our daily life. Early humans did not know how to use these gifts of nature. With time, they learned to convert these into useful things to satisfy their needs. Means early humans, they were not aware. Means they don't know how they can use these gifts. But with time, humans learn to convert these into useful things. To convert them into useful thing. It was then that these gifts of nature became valuable resource for them. For example, wind is a gift of nature. Means wind is given by nature to us. When humans learned to generate electricity from wind using windmills, wind became a resource for them. Means by using these resources, humans can create different things. Here is given an example of wind. Means by using windmills, by using wind, humans started generating electricity. Now, resources and their types. All materials available in our environment, means all materials like air, water, soil, minerals, they all are materials and which satisfy our needs. Means these things are for satisfying humans needs, are called resources. Means all materials available in our environment which satisfy our needs are called resources. They are of two types. There are two types of resources: natural resources and human made resources. Natural resources like forests, minerals, air, water, soil, animals. Means these resources are directly provided by nature to human beings. And human made resources, humans made different things by using natural resources are called human made resources. Means they use natural resources to create human made things like buildings, roads, machines, etc. All natural things such as land, air, water, soil, minerals, forests, and animals are known as natural resources. Things made by humans using natural resource, means humans use natural resource to make different things are called human made resources like buildings, road, machines, and electricity are examples. Means humans use natural resources to make these things. So here we have finished with types of resources. Today you have to draw Save Water, Save Life poster in your SST copy.